Hi students, this is Harshnath Sukla and today in class 12 we are going to discuss lecture number 7. Chapter is lecture number 7. Chapter is chapter determinant and exercise 4.2 continue. So up to 7 questions we had already discussed. So afterwards question number 8. So now we are going to discuss question number 8, first part. By using properties of determinant in exercise 8 to 14. So first question number 8, prove that first 1a square 1b square 1c square is equal to a minus b minus c and c minus a minus b minus c and c minus a. So we need to solve this one. We have to prove this one as 1a square 1b square 1c square is nothing but a minus b minus c and c minus a. Now using LHS, taking LHS, we have first 1a square 1bb. So if we subtract 1 minus 1 0, a minus b, this is a square minus b square. So we need to take common a minus b minus c. So we use this operation. R1 tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. We get 0 0 1, a minus b minus c, a square minus b square minus c square and c square. Now taking a minus b from the first row, b minus c from the second row, we will get 0 1 a plus b, 0 1 a plus b. Why a plus b? Because a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. 0 1 b plus c and 1 c square. Okay. Now expanding it, we will get a minus b minus c, and if we expand this determinant, then leaving that particular row and that particular column, we will get this row and this column. If we leave, we get b plus c within bracket b plus c and minus of a minus b. Okay, so b cancel. So this is a minus b minus c and c minus a. This is your RHS. So please note it down and understand whatever the operations are using here. Now question number 8, second part. Question number 8, second part. Okay. This is question number 8, second part. Now we are going to discuss. We have to show one. Question number 8, second part. 1 A B C A cube, B cube and C cube. Okay. Now see, in this question we have to show this is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and within other bracket A plus B plus C. So now see this one, taking LHS we will have LHS part is there. Now here we use this operation, C1 tends to C1 minus C2 and C2 tends to C2 minus C3. We will have 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, this is 1. This is A minus B, B minus C, C, A cube minus B cube, B cube minus C cube and C cube. Okay. Now A minus B and B minus C is common from first column and second column. A minus B from the first column, B minus C from the second column. Then we will have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, C, and here A square plus B square plus AB. Why? A cube minus B cube is, you know very well, A cube minus B cube is A minus B, and with another bracket A square plus B square plus AB. So here B square plus C square plus BC and C cube. Okay. Now expanding this, we will get A minus B, B minus C, and expansion is leaving this particular row and this particular column. We have this row and this column. If we leave, then we will have what? 1 into this row and this column, this row, this column, 1 B square plus C square plus BC, B square plus C square plus BC minus within bracket A square plus B square plus AB and bracket closed. Okay. So this is nothing but A minus B, B minus C, and within bracket B square plus C square. B square and B square cancelled out because this is positive and this is negative. C square minus A square and BC minus AB plus BC minus AB. Now we will have this A minus B, B minus C, and here if you factorize it, C minus A and C plus A, and this is plus B C minus A. Okay. If we take C minus A common from the bracket, this is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So within bracket C plus A plus B, and this is your result RHS. So please note it down and see one by one each step and understand what is the cyclic factorization of that particular determinant. Okay. So next one, 9th question. Next is question number 9th. Question number 9th. ninth. X axis x y z, x square y square z square, y z zx and xy, and this is equal to x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and within other bracket xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so just see the solution of this question. So first of all we take LHS and proceed. So for x minus y we need to take common from the, we need to use operation x minus y, that is r1 minus r2 and r2 minus r3 is there. So first operation is, first of all LHS, you have to take LHS here, and the next step, using operation r1 tends to r1 minus r2 and r2 tends to r2 minus r3, and we'll get what we get here, x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx, y minus z, y square minus z square, and zx minus xy, and this is z square xy. Now next step we see here, if we take x minus y from the first row, y minus z from the second row, then within determinant we will have x minus y, so 1, x plus y here, because x square minus y square as x plus y and x minus y, and here if we take minus z as a common, then this will be also x minus y, so here minus z is there. Why? Because if you take common as minus z in these two terms, then this is also becomes minus z into x minus y. Similarly here 1 y plus z and minus of x, if we take common here, then this is y minus z. So minus x is there, and this is z, z square and xy. So this is the whole x minus y and y minus z is there. Now again we apply, if we apply r1 minus r2, then we will see here this is z minus x minus z. Otherwise you take here z minus of minus, so x minus z. So again we apply r1 tends to r1 minus r2, we will have, what we will have, first r1 0, and this is nothing but y cancelled out, this is x minus z, and this is minus z plus x, so this is also x minus z, okay, plus x minus z, and this is 1 y plus z minus x and z square xy, and here x minus y and y minus z. Now next step, now I am going to erase this. Next step we have expansion of this particular determinant and we'll get the result. Before that, first we see this x minus y y minus z, z minus, here if we take common z minus x, then in determinant 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 y plus z minus x z z square x y. Okay, so if we again see here, if we take here c1 minus c2 tends to c2 minus c3, then we will have c2 tends to c2 minus c3, then we will have x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and within determinant we have what? 0 and this and this. This is also 0 and minus 1. 1 y plus z minus x, that is x plus y plus z minus x, and this is z and z square minus xy, and this is xy. Now last step, we expand it and we will get the solution. So x minus y, last step, we are just going to expand it. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x, within bracket minus 1, that means leaving this particular row and this column we will get z square minus xy and z into minus of z into x plus y plus z. So we'll have x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. This is z square minus xy minus zx minus zx minus zy minus z square. This is cancelled out, and this is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. If we take minus whole common, then this is xy plus yz plus zx. So this is your RHS. So in this manner we have to complete up to question number 9 in your exercise 5.4.2. okay. So this is the whole about this. So please try to understand and solve more and more questions. Next topic is area of a triangle, and afterwards minors and cofactors, because actually this is not in syllabus, that's why I'm not going to solve more after that more question based on this. We just need to understand next topic. Okay, so thank you for today.